Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I want a giveaway, and so you can too. I have seen several channels doing that. They win a giveaway and they give something away to you, and so I want in on that action. Plus it's still my birthday month. Those of you that have already wished me a happy birthday, you don't have to do it again. Some people have been commenting, did I wish you a birthday? Yes, you've wished me a birthday 5 times because I have talked about it in almost every video. You don't have to keep wishing me a happy birthday's gone. It's just birthday month, and I just want to keep giving y'all stuff. So I want a giveaway on Instagram. I was shocked. I want to give away from Pure Lottie. Let me just make sure yep, I am right. Pure Lottie. So let me tell you about her. She has a YouTube channel too. I will link her YouTube channel and I will link her Instagram. She is beauty, cosmetics, and personal care. She's 30 years old. She travels. She's got fur babies. She's an endometriosis warrior. She does DIY stuff, crafts. She's a self-taught makeup artist, and she lives in Perth. She has the cutest little accent ever, and she, if my memory serves me correctly, because it's been a little bit since I won, she had a story on Instagram where she showed these shirts that she was wearing, and they were super cute. And I don't remember how I entered to win, but I entered, and then she sent me a message that I won. I won a shirt, and then Crystal from RealLady Electrician, she won a shirt too. And so the other day in the mail, I got my shirt. I'm so excited. I got to pick which one I wanted. This is from Rakuten, is the brand name of the shirt. And since winning, I have gone on Amazon, and they do have their clothing on Amazon, and it was very reasonably priced. So here's what the shirt looks like. If I can get it in the... It's really cute. It's pink and maroon and blue. It's so soft. And it has the little piece down at the bottom that you tie. I'm not sure how that's going to look. Hopefully it's long enough to cover up the belly, but it's super cute. Isn't that cute? I love it. So thank you, Lottie, for sending me my shirt. I can't wait to wear it. And I have already saved some of their clothes into my Amazon cart. I was just waiting to see what the quality was going to be like, and it's really nice. My goodness, it's so soft. Plus size tops for women, long sleeve shirt, block sweatshirt tie, it says, front knot blouse, crew neck tunic pink. That's a whole lot of stuff going on in my little packaging slip. But so thank you so much again, Lottie, for my shirt, and to Rakuten is the brand name. Rakuten Casual Wear. So that's super cool. So because I won, y'all get to win something too. We'll get to that at the end of the video. So that's my shirt. And I got some friend mail. I got a card from Erica and Sherry at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. That's what happens when you try to say wicked and awesome at the same time. You come up with Wickham. They sent me a Thanksgiving card. Very pretty fall Thanksgiving card, I'm sure. In everything, give thanks. Leanna, we are wishing you and your family a warm, yummy turkey day filled with love and laughter. Of the many things we are thankful for this year, our YouTube family is near top of the list. We love you so much and are truly thankful you are a part of the Wicked Awesome family. Sherry and Erica. As Thanksgiving arrives this year, may you find many reasons to pause and give thanks. Have a wicked awesome Thanksgiving, Sherry and Erica of Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Thank you so much, ladies. I truly do enjoy you girls, and your live Mask Mondays are so much fun. And I cannot tell you how much I enjoy Mom Dukes. I just laugh at her. She is hilarious. So thank you so much for my very first Thanksgiving card. And I love the picture on there. That's so pretty. And then I have a card. I believe this is from Lois. I believe it is from Life with Lois's. And it's a chunky card, so there's something else in here other than just a card. It says, good friends provide each other with comfort, support, and a feeling of well-being. So do good bras, but they never give the excellent advice that you do. You're so sweet. Thank you for the friend mail, my amazing friends. Stay safe and healthy. Your friend, Lois. Thank you so much, Lois. Lois sent me a mask. It's like some sexy leopard print. So thank you, Lois, for keeping me healthy. I appreciate that, and I appreciate you and our friendship. Awesome, awesome. And so real quick, because I have not unboxed my SinglesSwag, and I know everybody has unboxed theirs, and I don't know why mine came late. It normally gets here like either the last day of the month or the first day of the month is supposed to be here. But for whatever reason, it came like a week late, and then late. I have not been able to talk right lately. I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, and then I was sick, and Leroy was here, and, you know, so I didn't get to do it. So, let's just do it. I know y'all have seen all of the SinglesSwag unboxings, but here's a tribal print head wrap. That's pretty cool, and this is worth $22, it says. I know I'm keeping this because y'all see I'm always throwing my hair up, so I will use this full show. It's got a cute little pattern on it. Very nice. And it smells good. And then we have a Spungeli. Is that how you say that? Spungeli? Botanica Rose with extracts of rosehip, green tea, and hibiscus. These smell so good. And this retails for $20. And I know that y'all all know about these because these come around a lot. Look, it's a butterfly. It smells so good. And then there's those damn cookies. I'm throwing them in the trash. No food. Remember, SinglesSwag, we talked. Remember how I told you don't send me food? And I cursed. I didn't mean to curse y'all, but, well, it's done now. The cookies are... Where are the cookies? Sugared almond shortbread cookies are $6. And then we have Emas's Skincare Lavender Eye Serum, Soothing and Corrective Serum, and this retails for $42. It has a 12-month shelf life, and I don't see anything on here about it being cruelty-free. And here's what it looks like. Lavender Soothing and Correcting Serum. So that's nice. I don't know if I will use that or not. If I do not, it will go in your giveaway box. And then we have Steve Laurent Total Repair Lip Mask. These retail for $24, and there's 5 of them in here. And this is cruelty-free, and it has a 12-month shelf life. And I know that I will not use these, so those are going in the giveaway box. And then we have Violet Harper Isabella Beaded Layered Necklace. And it retails for $58, it says. Comes in this little box that I have already started opening. That's cute. Cute little necklace. It's got little blue beads on it. Very cute. And it's silver. And I prefer silver jewelry, so I might keep that. And then we have Laritzi Cosmetics Lip Gloss. And this retails for $18. It's supposed to give you an effortless, high gloss, editorial look while removing the stickiness and the glue-like feeling to create the ideal finish. That's a pretty color. But I don't do lip gloss, so that will go in your giveaway box. And then the last item is a Cheezos Rejuvenating Scalp Massager. And this retails for $18. And if you do not have a scalp massager, I'm here to tell you you should go get one. This is what it looks like. And it is so nice. It fits perfectly. I use one. I have one. And it is really, really nice. So, because I already have one, I don't know that I necessarily need to keep that. Should I keep it as a backup? I don't know. If I decide not to keep it, it will go in the giveaway box. They conveniently put the total on here, so the total of my box is $208. And I don't remember what I paid. I'm sure y'all already know all of this stuff. I have a big old spreadsheet though, so I signed up for 6 months. And I had a discount. From what I understand, there's always a discount that you can find, a discount code for this. 6-month prepay without a discount is $224.99. With my discount, I got a 6-month subscription for $135. And that all includes shipping and all of that good stuff. So there we go. I won. I got friend mail and Thanksgiving card and my SinglesSwag box. And because I won, you can too. Y'all know I have all of these IPSY goodie bags, little mystery bags that I filled up with stuff. And I'm not going to tell you what's in it. But it has lots of goodies in it. I see some brushes and I see an expensive thing and stuff. So there you go. IPSY little IPSY goodie box. Goodie mystery bag thingy. Yep. So, what do we want to do? What word? Down in the comments, you need to use a complete sentence and use the word scalp massager. We're going with scalp massager. Complete sentence with the word scalp massager. Or scalp. Did you scalp anybody lately? Do you have plans to scalp people? Put that scalp massager in a complete sentence down in the comments and you will be entered to win the giveaway. Okay, so this giveaway will end on the 3rd of December and I will pick a winner that day via a random comment picker and I will post a video announcing the winner. You have to be 18 years of age or older to enter the giveaway. This giveaway is for U.S. residents only. I will put all of the rules down in the description box below because I'm sure I will forget something. This is not sponsored by YouTube or by any of the brands that I have talked about in this video. It's not sponsored by any of the brands that are in the bag. This is solely me doing a giveaway, and I'm giving away products that I have purchased with my own money or through subscription boxes. Once I box up your prize and put it in the mail, I am no longer responsible for whether or not it gets to you or the condition that it is in when it arrives. So, down in the comments, complete sentence, scalp massager. That is so weird and random. But hey, I'm weird and random, so there you go. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me open what I won from Pure Lottie. Opening up some friend mail and my SinglesSwag box. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel and it sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell if you're not already subscribed. And I'd like to remind you, as always, that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something today to be grateful for. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, maybe I should send you the scalp massage. Oh my goodness. They just like... It feels so good, dude. You should get you one. It helps, like, you know, keep your scalp from being crusty, and it rejuvenates, you know, gets the blood circulating up there around your brain and your hair follicles and all that. So it makes you smart. There you go. There's your beauty tip. Mama loves you, boo.